Mikey?
All of Tennessee is
Mikey?
very proud right now. And all of Tennessee knows what time it is. Do you?
I do.
It's time to play Cake or Cash. Waited long enough to get up here.
I know. Best of luck.
Let's win some money. Cake wall. Spin. All right, Timmy. On the other side of the cake wall are two treasure chests.
Okay.
One of them is real. The other is cake.
Okay.
Guess the cake. Get the cash. You have 15 seconds, my friend. Your time starts now.
Oh, yay. They're perfect.
10 seconds, Timmy.
Oh, my God.
5 seconds. Gotta lock something in, dude. 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Wow. To me, those look exactly the same.
They are. They are exactly the same.
Why'd you pick number 1?
From here, for me, it looks like the outside is kind of going out a little bit on the top. And so I'm hoping that that's okay.
Let's see how you did. Here we go, Timmy.
Oh, gosh.
No, not cake. I'm sorry, Timmy. One episode remains between you and the title of Is It Cake Champion. One of you will walk out of here with $50,000. Let's hear it. You gotta duke it out, just like Rocky. Have you seen Rocky in your jar?
Nope.
No! Gentlemen, I'm excited. Woo-hoo-hoo! Win! Win!
I'm going to say this is very exciting. That's great. It's going to spin. I'm so nervous. What's behind there?
Finalists.
Oh.
Lena, you're back. Oh my God. So I said, Condon. Girl, that's gumball. Ladies. Hi. Congratulations, big party. Just me and the ladies. So let's all raise a glass and toast to our final 3, Timmy, Henderson, and Jujar.